Electronics is the branch of science and engineering that deals with the study, control, and application of the flow of electrons in devices such as diodes, transistors, and integrated circuits. 1. Charge, Q, basic unit of electricity. 2. Current, I, rate of flow of charge. 3. Voltage, V, potential difference between 2 points. 4. Resistance, R, opposition to current flow. 5. Power, P, rate of electrical energy consumption. 6. Energy, A, capacity to do work. 7. Circuit closed path for current flow. 8. Network interconnection of electrical elements. 9. Branch part of a circuit containing one or more elements. Thus, node point where two or more branches meet. 11. Loop, any closed path in a circuit. 12. Mesh, a loop that contains no other loop inside it. 13. Active element can supply power, source, battery. 14. Passive element cannot supply power, R, L, C. 15. Lumped parameters, circuit parameters concentrated at discrete points. 16. Distributed parameters, parameters distributed throughout the circuit. 17. Linear circuit, circuit obeying superposition and proportionality. 18. Bilateral circuit, behavior same in both directions. 19. Unilateral circuit, behavior changes with direction, e.g., diode. 20. Time invariant circuit, parameters do not change with time. 21. Time variant circuit, parameters change with time. Let's quickly revise today's lecture. We learned the definition of electronics and the basic terminologies used in electronic circuits such as node, branch, loop, mesh, and parameters. In the next lecture, we will begin with charge, current, voltage, and resistance. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Brain Fuel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Brain Fuel, learn electronics, one concept at a time.